Conditions, we're seeing mostly cloudy skies, but hey, temperatures are warm. 61 degrees for the Summit City. Temperatures across our region, we are into the upper 50s, even low 60s, but it is very muggy outside. We're seeing dew point temperatures in the upper 50s for us, so it almost feels like Florida for us. Looking at the temperature change for the past 24 hours, we are about 15 to 20 degrees warmer this time this morning compared to Saturday morning. But if you look towards our southwest, you start to see some cooler air surging in from the southwest, and so expect our temperatures to drop into the 50s this afternoon. So pretty much we are to reach our high temperature today at 63 degrees as we get into tonight. Overnight lows dropping back down to the upper 30s to low 40s. So let's take a look at our storm track radar. Some few little light showers still lingering, but bulk of the heavy clouds and rain showers are off towards our east. Zooming out across the Midwest region, you start to see that cold front start to move across the Appalachian Mountains, some strong lines of showers and storms. But if you look off towards our west, you start to see a nice little counterclockwise rotation. That's that low pressure system. It's kind of on the borderline between Iowa and to Minnesota. So this will bring us windy conditions throughout today and a little bit into tomorrow as that funnel boundary line moves off towards the east. And then we have a high that's going to dry things out for Monday, but it's still going to be very cloudy just because our winds are coming out from the northwest. So we'll get some moisture coming in from the Great Lakes. So we won't see too much sun for the next couple of days. But let's talk about the winds. Again, it's starting to pick up this morning. It's going to continue to blow out from the southwest, but around 2 o'clock this afternoon, we're going to see very gusty winds, sustained winds up to 30 miles an hour. But with the wind gusts, some things you got to keep in mind. If you have your trash to pick up tomorrow with these winds, you can expect your trash can maybe to be tipped over or even into your neighbor's yard, depending how heavy your trash can is. Here's the timeline of today. As we get through midday, our winds start to increase about 15 to 25 miles an hour. But the afternoon, winds start to pick up 25 to 30 miles an hour sustained, and winds can be gusting up at times at 50 miles an hour for us. That's why we have a wind advisory until 8 p.m. all of our counties. So a couple things to keep in mind with the soil very saturated. We could see some small trees fall down or even some broken down tree branches. So we could see some possible power outages and some isolated regions. So some things to keep in mind. But overall today, it will be windy. Temperatures will be dropping back down. We already reached our high today at 63 degrees. Overnight lows dropping back down into the upper 30s, low 40s, remaining cloudy, breezy conditions, but the winds start to come out from the west-northwest. So we're going to see a little bit cooler temperatures starting tomorrow as our highs for Monday will be into the mid-40s, mostly cloudy skies, breezy conditions, but we won't see too much sunshine until Wednesday. Temperatures will gradually warm up into the mid-50s. So Thursday and Friday look like to be the best 2 days